Volkswagen is rolling out an update to its electric van lineup with the introduction of the ID.Buzz GTX. This new model boasts a robust electric powertrain and offers choices between two sizes for both the wheelbase and battery, along with seating arrangements that can accommodate 5, 6, or 7 passengers. A notable feature is the inclusion of 4-motion all-wheel drive as a standard, enhancing the van's ability to maintain grip and power across different driving conditions. Aimed at families who value speed and efficiency, the van is set to arrive in Europe with dual electric motors and all-wheel drive right out of the box. Shoppers can choose between a standard version with a 79 kilowatt-hour battery and a longer version that sports an 86 kilowatt-hour battery for extended range. The power from the two motors totals 335 horsepower, which translates to the ability to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a brisk 6.5 seconds, regardless of the version. The top speed for the ID.Buzz GTX is capped at 99 miles per hour. Towing capacity varies slightly between the two versions. The standard model can pull up to 3,968 pounds, while the extended version with a larger battery has a slightly lower capacity of 3,527 pounds. Volkswagen highlights the power output of the motors, with the rear motor producing 413 pound-feet of torque and the front motor adding another 99 pound-feet. Charging time and capability depend on the battery size, with the smaller option supporting up to 185 kilowatts and the larger one up to 200 kilowatts. It takes about 25 minutes to charge the smaller battery from 10 to 80% and slightly less for the larger battery. Volkswagen has also added some design touches to the high-performance GTX variant, including redesigned bumpers, a honeycomb grille, and a unique cherry red color option. It comes with standard 19-inch wheels, with the option to upgrade to 2 different 21-inch alloy designs. The ID.Buzz GTX also features distinctive lower lights shaped like boomerangs, dark exterior accents, a black headliner, and sporty seats. For technology enthusiasts, the van offers an upgraded touchscreen, 12.9 inches over the standard 12.0 inches, an optional new head-up display, and touch-sensitive controls for the air conditioning and volume. The longer wheelbase version can also be equipped with Volkswagen's largest panoramic sunroof, which can switch from opaque to transparent at the press of a button. The ID.Buzz GTX is set to hit the European market this summer. Meanwhile, Volkswagen plans to introduce the electric van to the US market later in the year with only the longer wheelbase, 3 rows of seats, and the 86.0 kWh battery, but it will be offered without the GTX branding. This US version will retain the dual motor and all-wheel drive configuration.